Hey guys, Roscoe, we're front at the airport and there's our ride, Cathay Pacific 777-300ER. We're just behind the wing on the side you can see there. Very smooth journey to the airport on the Elizabeth line, all checked in, all very fast. Just looking forward to the adventure. Mike and Pross are at the gate. In fact, here is Praskovia coming now. There she is. I just started filming of the plane, Pross. We've stumbled across someone else who's going to this Wing Chun event. One of Mike's friends from his class, but they're over the other part of the lounge having a chat. So we thought everyone was going Air China and China East and stuff, but he's also going on Cathay Pacific with us. So yes, looking forward to getting on board, having a nice long flight, trying out the famous Cathay Pacific. Hopefully they live up to their reputation. We'll catch up later. Here we are, these are our seats. In our little mini cabin. Beginning of Deadpool and Wolverine. There's Mike Ross. Hello. Hope he will be on the way shortly. As this meal is called supper, we'll be turning the lights off until we cabin straight after it's served. So it's a very nice menu. And then the drinks in the car. Well, it's not drinks in the car, sorry, it's just a message. Like that. We're now over Belgium. Plus your vegan meal has arrived. So let's see what you got.
Alright, we've got what's in here?
Vegan pasta with
Okay, let's see what's in there.
Lafarge sofrito.
Wow, it's hot. What? Oops.
Okay. Man
It's really
hands.
odd. It's
Man
really
hands.
odd.
Man
Yeah,
hands.
you see that?
Man hands.
Yeah.
Man hands feel no pain.
Okay, that's
Okay.
nice.
Very green.
Very green.
Yeah, that's nice.
Was it pasta, wasn't it?
Pasta with the
Oh, yes, yes, yes.
cheese. I mean with the
Pasta.
peas.
Are you eating it now or are you?
Yeah, I'm gonna. I'll wait for you guys. I'll wait for you
Up
guys.
to you.
So that's the vegan meal.
That's the vegan meal.
And what's the
Then-
other bits?
We've got some salad.
Oh, yes, there's a salad. That's probably the same one that we all get, yeah.
Yeah.
And I assume the other thing is the dessert.
Is it
Fruits.
there? Oh yeah,
Oh, fruit
it's actually
tea.
nice. And
Oh, very nice, yes.
and bread.
And the bread, yes. So a lot of that was very similar to what we get.
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
Is this a vegan spread?
Vegetable fat spread. Yeah, you
Yeah.
get suitable for
Okay.
soup.
Vegan water.
Yeah.
And if there's any
And
cheese
some
that-
water.
Some vegan water as well.
Exactly.
Yeah. Not that meat water that everyone else drinks.
Water, yes.
Okay, I'll wait for everyone before I
Okay.
get my dinner.
Oh, good luck with that.
Alright, so I ordered the Chinese chicken meal. Let's see what it looks like. I don't know exactly what it is exactly, but I'm talking as loud as I can. It will come up on the volume, I think. So this is the main. And we've got our bread roll, chicken, rice, or whatever it is. Let's see, the salad thing, which I can't get open.
It's like some sort of veg.
Yes, yes, little couscousy type of thing with a bit of salmon, I think. And then we've got a Haagen-Dazs, yes, in a little bowl.
Very nice.
And then crackers and cheese and stuff. Oh,
And
right.
a fresh
Yes,
bread roll.
and a fresh bread roll. So yes, I'm looking forward to trying that. It should be very tasty. Alrighty guys, hello, here I am. Oh, it's gotten a little bit bumpy just now. Whoa, quite a bit bumpy there in fact. Yeah. Great meal, fantastic food. I'm in the bathroom now, it's absolutely spotless. There. So yes, just a standard toilet visage. So yes, it's all clean, lovely lemon scented, fresh smell in here. So there you go guys, so far it's been an absolutely fantastic flight. Staff have been, the cabin crew have been excellent. Food was great, a little narrow because it's a Airbus A350-900, that would be the case of any airline. But yes, can't rate this highly enough so far. We'll catch up later. We're over at the North Turkish coast and let's see what that looks like out there. It's pretty much sunset almost. Getting very dark very soon. Then it'll be dark all the way to China.
I know, I'm moving it out of the way. So.
Alright, so what have we got?
Okay.
A vegan breakfast.
Alright, so the vegan breakfast consists of a vegan sausage, sauteed spinach, sauteed mushroom, oven roasted tomato, half scrambled tofu with peppers.
Ah.
And you've got a white roll. We have
Yeah, this road is actually very nice.
fruit and
Oh, okay.
Muffin or
This
something,
looks
I guess.
no, I don't know what that is. It looks like dried
Actually,
fruits.
that's
Oh,
nice.
dry fruits,
Yeah,
yes,
yeah.
yes.
Okay.
Excellent for me.
Well, let's see the main.
Yep.
That's okay.
Is it too hot?
Yeah, very nice containers, you know.
Okay.
Wow. Oh, we've got spinach.
That does look quite nice.
That looks like omelette.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Very nice, yeah.
enjoy that. I mean, I don't know when our breakfast is going to come, do you?
Yeah.
It's congee or it's omelette, so I'm having omelette.
Wait a minute. Let me have a look at that
No,
again.
because remember that's the wrong one.
Right. So, omelette. Wait,
Oh,
didn't they
So
have?
the lady, she said,
Didn't they have the noodle thing?
no, because it's
Shit.
the wrong menu.
No,
that
this is
they're
vegan.
loaded up.
No, I'm not talking about yours. I'm talking about. Okay. All right.
So yeah, it's omelette or congee.
Omelette. Omelette.
Yes, yes. So hopefully we'll get that in a little bit.
Yeah.
Alright, guys.
Alright, enjoy Pros.
So I'm the privileged one, Ross. I eat before anyone else.
Yes, you get to eat ahead of us all.
Exactly.
Okay,
You're the guinea pig.
I guess it's breakfast time on our flight now. I ordered the Western option, which is the omelette. The other one was prawn congee, which I did not fancy at all. I don't like porridge type things. So let's see. So there's the omelette, some potatoes. I think it's a bit of chicken or something. So yeah, that should be fine. Bread rolls, some fruit and yogurt, and a bit of jam and some butter. So yes, that should be fine for breakfast. I think that should be forward to this. Mike has ordered the same. So Pros obviously had her vegan breakfast before, so she's finished and we haven't even started yet.
Tuck in.
Dawn's approaching, it's getting lighter. Cities in China, we're about an hour out of Hong Kong, so we should be landing in a little bit. Very excited for my first trip, proper trip to Asia. So you can just see the sun on the horizon there. So yeah, an hour to Hong Kong. Giant bridge.
Impressive engineering on that bridge. See some of the hills.
Just about to touch down.
There we come.
DHL plane there.
3, 2, 1.
There we go.
It's a smooth landing.
Welcome to Hong Kong.
Yeah.
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 No one was nervous with that landing, were they?
No.